Sunday, 23rd of June, 2024, 10 till 6. .72 degrees in Athens, going to a high of 96, 74 tonight, Monday 96 and 68, Tuesday 95 and 70, Wednesday 95 and 72 with a 24% chance of rain, Thursday 94 and 71, Friday 93, 73, and next Saturday 95, 74. Air quality is good today. Humidity 91%. Ooh, unless it drops, it is going to be a oppressive day. Dew point is 70 degrees. We are leaving Arcade, Georgia. We don't know which way we're going to turn up here, left or right. US Highway 129. I still want to get all the way around 285 again. I've got one video all the way around. I'd like to get that again updated. It's been about 3 years, I think, maybe 4. Several things I'd like to do and get done today, so what are we going to do, left or right? Time to decide. I guess we'll go left. We can get into town quicker, whatever we're going to do, unless we were to go to Lithonia, go down to Yellow River, go that way. I don't know. People ask me, how do I decide where I'm going and what we're going to do? I just get to a place where we stop and then turn left, right, or go straight. We didn't have an option of going straight there, so I guess we'll go down 85. I'm tired of going down 85. Early in the morning, 78 wouldn't be bad, would it? We got all day. The store to have good biscuits over here. I don't want a Bojangles, don't want a McDonald's. We need to turn around quick. Get back going the other way. Or we could cut through up here. You know, the store has cat head biscuits. They have big biscuits, all kind of meats, eggs, breakfast. They have nice lunches. Maybe talking myself into making a left turn up here on it. It sounds like to me. want to get back in touch with me. Right up here is one of Arcade's favorite places to sit, and they use tag readers. This video is, what, 5 minutes long? 6 minutes long? I guess we could wrap this one up and get it uploaded. Tell y'all, my intention right now is to go down around South Atlanta, around 285 South, maybe come back up through Atlanta, Jonesboro Highway, Highway 54, maybe through East Point. I don't know yet, but my intention is to go to the south side and work my way north. So let's cut this one off and start getting it uploaded.